What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing a portfolio update, and I did one last week and it did so well, so thank you so much for the support. And if you did subscribe and find out about my YouTube channel last week or whatever you have, then I really do appreciate it, because I want to do more and more videos like this. So yeah, if you haven't seen that, check it out, because then you can have a look and see how well I've done. Well, I haven't really done well at all with my stock portfolio. As you guys know, a year or two ago it was actually doing all right, and then all of a sudden, obviously the last year and a half or however long it's not been great. But we're going to show it regardless, because that's the whole point of this channel, hence why it's called Ben's Big Journey. I just update you guys on how I'm doing in the stock market or crypto or anything like that. So up first is Apple stock, and I've got 7 shares of this, and I'm up 46%, £304. Not bad at all. It's done 2.5% in the last week, so slowly going up, and yeah, it's always been a really good steady stock for me. The FX impact as well is good for me. It's up 5%, so yeah, I bought this 2 years ago probably. Like, if I actually just put all my money in this, I would have been happy and fine, but it's easy to say that. Barrett Developments, like I say, this is my granddad's stock. We just have a look at this together. We're on the phones all the time just saying, oh, what's it doing? And he was consider selling it and maybe buying if it was a cheaper price. But yeah, that's just what he was thinking. I don't know if he's going to do that. There is a dividend coming up, which is about 10-15p per share. Can't remember actually off the top of my head, because I know 10 to 15p is a big difference. I think it's more like the 10p, 11p mark. So yeah, he's up nearly £1,000 on that, which is pretty good. He did have he did have a dividend in November, December. That was a bigger one. That was like £300, so that was decent. That was the bigger dividend. That was like 25p a share. But yeah, the average price is £4.27 he got in at, and it's now, oh yeah, over £5. Lucid stock, obviously, this is, if you guys know, if you're the OGs, I bought quite a lot of this stock at not such a good price. I bought it at $25 a share. God, it really does make me think, what was I doing? But we're down 67%. What's it done in the last week? Up 5%, because I was actually considering buying a bit more shares of this on the beginning of the week, and I just didn't. So it's interesting, it's gone up 5%. Oh, hang on, before we go. Yeah, so I'm down 56%. Palantir, this is going to be an interesting one, because this is my biggest holding. It's up 6% today. And the reason why it's an interesting one, because actually tonight, as I'm filming this, I might be actually putting it out. I might put this video out tonight if I can get this sorted and edited quickly. Oh, it might be out tonight, but depending on when you're watching this, earnings is out tonight for Palantir. And if we look at the screen now, I'm going to pop it up. So they're expected to do 4 cents for the EPS, and also 505 million in revenue. And the previous time they did it was, well, they beat. Finally, they were expected to do 3 cent earnings per share, and they actually did it with 4. So now we're expected to do it in 0.04, and they're expected, and they reported 508 million last time, but this time they're expected to do 505 million. So hopefully, please, they can carry that up. So having a look at the stock anyway, well, I'm down 62%. My average is $22.48. And yeah, that's what's it done in the last week. So we're actually down 0.5. So yeah, Polestar, you could tell, got hyped up with the electric cars, down 58%. Let's move on. Senseonics, gone up 10% today, 11% in the week. Nice. But we are down 77%, so not so good. Tesla, I put in £100 in this week. So we're up to £1,022 in this stock, and I'm up 7% with this. And my average is $166, so it hit my average, and I thought I'm going to buy some more. Bought £100 worth. So yeah, I think I'm going to really start buying more of Tesla, and I'm going to put up a comment below, because someone actually mentioned that they're buying up Tesla and they believe in the next 3 years it's going to be massive. So that's just their opinion, obviously. I also believe that too, so that's why I'm putting more money into it. I'm seeing Tesla cars everywhere at the moment in the UK, like a lot more than usual, so that's always a good sign too. But yeah, I bought a bit more. Virgin Galactic up 12-13%. We like to see that. But we don't like to see what I've just put on the screen. Down 84%. So, Lake Resources. What have we gone up in the week? We've gone up 21%. Let's go. We're up 38% on this Lake Resources. We've got £260 in this. Let's just total up how much I've got in my stock portfolio. And yeah, we'll just see, hopefully, fingers crossed, that it's gone up from last time, because I also did put in £100, so remember that. But let's see what the total is. So the total as it stands is £12,733 in my stock portfolio. And it's funny because obviously it's still going up and down because I'm still recording this while the market's open and there's like an hour left. So yeah, that could change. I know that's not the whole point. I normally do it on a weekend when it's closed, but I was just busy on the weekend, so I couldn't really get time to do it, and I wanted to still get a video out. So I'm shooting this on a bank holiday. So the markets aren't open in the UK, but obviously in America they are. But yeah, £12,733, not too bad at all. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you're brand new, because I do want to do a lot more of these. I want to upload a lot more because the last video did really well, and it's good to actually interact with you guys that do the same exact thing, which is investing, trying to make money, and yeah, all on one big journey, I guess.